This is a voiceless consonant. You can hear it at the beginning of the word tin, in the middle of the word button, at the end of the word get, and at the beginning and end of the word tight. In English, we make this sound with the tongue behind the teeth here. Now let's try. Listen and repeat after me. Tin, button, get, tight. Okay. Now you may find it difficult to hear the difference between this voiceless sound that you can hear at the beginning of the word tin and its voiceless partner that you can hear at the beginning of the word din. Listen carefully to hear the difference. For each example, I shall say the word with the voiceless sound first. Tin, din, to, do, town, down, ate, aid, bet, bed. Did you hear the difference? Perhaps you can also see the difference. Watch this. Tin, din. Did you notice how the puff of air at the beginning of tin makes the paper move? Watch. Tin, din. Now let's practice these examples. Listen carefully and repeat. Tin, din, to, do, town, down, ate, aid, bet, bed. Okay.
Two A.
To, sent, cart, write, train, trunk.
Two B.
You too? You sent the emails? Is hers the red cart? Can he write well? Does this train smell? Is there a trunk here?
Three B. In a department store.
I want to buy a skirt.
Skirts are upstairs on the next floor. Where can I get some Thai food? The cafeteria is on the first floor.
Where's the fruit juice, please?
The next counter on your left.
Tins of tomatoes.
Try the supermarket in the basement.
Could you tell me where the, travel agents is?
Yes, it's right next to the restaurant on the third floor.
I want to buy a cricket bat. How do I get to the sports equipment?
Take the lift to the sports department. It's on the top floor.
Where's the telephone, please?
It's on the next floor opposite the photographers. What's the time, please? It's exactly 22 minutes to 10.